What's up, guys? I made a video this morning about the diamond pattern forming, the reversal diamond. Looks like it might be playing out. Let's take a look at the targets and see where we might be headed.
1, 2, 3, go!
All right, what's up, guys? Crypto Savvy here. Before I begin, as always, I want to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And everything I'm going to show you and tell you is my opinion and my view of the market only. If anybody's doing any trading or any investing in this market, I suggest you do your own due diligence and your own research before doing so, as this market can be very volatile at times. All right, with that being said, if you guys haven't already, please click the subscribe button in the bottom right-hand side of the screen, and then tick the little bell if you want to be notified when I do update videos. Yeah, and a thumbs up would be awesome. That really helps out with the channel. So anyways, let's get started here. Looking at the descending wedge and the daily chart of Bitcoin. I'm going to make this real quick because we're still looking at this possible diamond that I've drawn this morning. Real quick, I will point this out too. This symmetrical triangle here, we did a measured breakout of it, and supposed to do it to the longest point of contacts, and which would be about right there. And if we was to break out of this ascending triangle, which I'm not saying it's going to happen, but if it was to, this would be our target area up in here, right around the 5,200 range. But obviously it's too far ahead to know where we'll be going. And if anybody is saying they do know where it's going, you know, that's, I don't go for that. I just don't think anybody knows what the market's going to do. If you did, you would be rich and you wouldn't have to tell anybody you knew. But anyway, that's just my opinion. Just like this whole video. So everyone's entitled to their opinion, right? All right, so this is what I pointed out this morning as a reversal diamond, and it seems to be playing out. So I just wanted to go make this video real quick just to show you what my targets are, and that's why I put that on the thumbnail. I still believe the bottom of this symmetrical triangle is probably going to be part of this, so we may come down and get another touch here, you know, bounce back around before a breakout, and that's if we break up. So, and if you didn't watch my video earlier this morning, this is how you get the measured move up, and this is not to say it'll, you know, there's no guarantees that it gets there, but if we was to break out in this area, you know, we're looking at the 3820 range, 3850. So, and you know, if we broke out up a little bit sooner, we'd be looking at the 3870 range. So we're going to look between probably 3800 and 38.7 if it breaks up. Now we'll go down here. If it breaks down, we are looking at, well, it would have to be somewhere in between this 3300 area, and if it was to break out a little further, our target would be right around 3325 area, somewhere in there. Again, these are just estimates. This I think would match up pretty well with this 200 EMA. We might spike above it a little bit, and that's not to say we stop there. That's just the target of this breakout. You know, we could, if we do go up, we could come up here, make a bull flag, and come up and touch the top of this symmetrical triangle, and test that resistance again. But you know, until it all plays out, we really don't know what's going to happen. But I believe that this is going to be a pretty nice move coming out of here. It'll probably be a, you know, it'll have some definite momentum behind it, whichever way it goes, up or down. And I showed you in the beginning of the video the symmetrical triangle target if it broke up. Now let's take a look just to see what would happen if it did break down. Measure the same length there real quick. And again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, tick the little bell to get notified, and give me a thumbs up if you like the content. And if you belong to any groups, you know, I'd appreciate it if you could share it with the group, or you know, share it with somebody, let somebody see it. But anyways, everything helps out. I'm trying to build a channel, and you know, I'm trying to get good content. And if anyone has any suggestions, anything else I could do to better the channel, or anything you'd like to see, eventually I'll probably start doing other coins for people, but not at this point, not yet. But I will take suggestions, you know, and try to build on this channel. So anyway, this target, if it was to break down, depending on where it broke out, if it broke out where I put it there, you know, 25.50. If it broke out sooner than that, obviously the target would be lower. 26 or 24.65, you know, but we still have this the support of that falling wedge, you know, that, and so, you know, that could be the target, but it could be way over here, you know, in April, if that was to happen. Like I said, nothing's set in stone, nothing's guaranteed. My personal opinion is the move up here to 38.20, but that's my personal opinion. You know, it could break either way. A majority of the time, a reversal diamond pattern like this will break up, but there is a small percentage of the time that it does break down and it becomes a continuance pattern. So Bitcoin's been pretty weird lately, so we don't know which way it's going to go, but I am leaning towards the upside, at least to this 3,800 range, somewhere in here, but I could be wrong. So anyways, I just wanted to put this quick video out here for you guys. I hope it helps you out, gives you something to look at, and kind of try to keep an eye on what's going on. So anyways, I appreciate you guys watching the video, and like I said, if you could subscribe, thumbs up, share the video, I'd appreciate it. Thanks.